Hey garden chefs! Ready to turn your harvest into hot rewards? Let's cook it up! First up, garden pizza. Toss in 1 giant pine cone, a fresh pepper, and a juicy mushroom. Mix it, bake it, and bam! Flavor overload. That's a reward you'll want to bite into. Next, the sizzling divine hot dog. Grab some corn and 4 bone blossoms, grill it until it's golden, serve it up hot, and boom! Another reward claimed. Garden goals achieved. Time for something sweet. 3 bone blossoms and a sugar glaze are all you need. Fry it, glaze it, and there you go. The garden donut of your dreams. And yes, reward unlocked. Let's go big with the Mythical Burger. 1 burning bud, 1 corn, 1 bone blossom, and a ripe tomato. Sizzle it up, stack it high, and sink your teeth into those legendary rewards. Craving sushi? All it takes is 2 bamboo and 1 corn. Roll it tight, serve it fresh, and guess what? You've just unlocked another tasty reward. Now for the ultimate comfort food, pumpkin pie. 1 juicy pumpkin and 4 bone blossoms. Bake it golden, serve it warm, and the reward? Oh, it's as sweet as the pie itself. Things down with garden-style ice cream. Scoop it, swirl it, serve it. And just like that, another chilly reward collected. Love what you're cooking? Please like and smash that subscribe button for part 2. More recipes, more rewards, more fun coming your way.